Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable judges, and fellow students. My name is Nasywan. Thank you for having me. Today, I am honored to stand before you to discuss a topic of great importance. It's about maintaining Pancasila values and characters in the digital era. Ladies and gentlemen, in this fast-paced world, where technology has become an integral part of our life, it is essential to reflect on how we can uphold the core values that define us as Indonesians. However, Pancasila, the foundation of our nation, embodies values that guide us believe in one God, humanity, unity, democracy, and social justice. These values are timeless and should be our compass even in the digital realm. But how do we ensure that? First, let's talk about belief in God. In the digital era, we can spread positivity and respect different beliefs by creating and sharing content that promotes peace and understanding. Online platforms give us a voice, so let's use them wisely. Next, humanity. The internet connects us globally, but it can also create distance. Let's bridge that gap with empathy. Imagine someone shares a personal story online. How should we respond? With kindness and support. This small act reinforces our shared humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to unity. Indonesia is rich in diversity. In the digital age, we can celebrate this by embracing our different cultures and languages on social media. Let's imagine, every time we post something, we include a touch of our heritage. This strengthens our national identity and unity. Now, democracy. Social media is a powerful tool for expressing opinions. But remember, with freedom comes responsibility. When we engage in discussion, let's ensure they are respectful and constructive. This way, we uphold democratic values. And then finally, ladies and gentlemen, social justice. The digital era offers opportunities to raise awareness about social issues. By sharing educational content and supporting causes we believe in, we contribute to a fair and just society. So, maintaining Pancasila values in the digital era is not only possible but essential. As young Indonesians, we have the power and responsibility to be the guardian as these values. Let's use technology to foster understanding, unity, and justice. Together, we can keep the spirit of Pancasila alive in this ever-evolving world. Thank you for your attention. Let us all strive to be the torchbearers of Pancasila in the digital era. That is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.